Okay guys, so this past week the Integra broke on me when I was heading to work. I turned the wheel right and it just stopped, and it made a terrible noise whenever I'd put it in gear and tried to drive it. The outer and inner tie rods did not fix the issue. It was still pulling to the right. And here it is. Completely broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling this all off and go from there. I pulled off the wheel, the rotor, the caliper, outer tie rod. Trying to think of what else I'm gonna have to remove. The ball joint and then the axle nut. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that done and pull out the axle. Okay guys, got the axle from O'Reilly's a few days later. Time to put it all back together. This is the base model RSX axle. If you have a GSR with a K-swap, then you'll need the Type S axle. That's something that I did learn while going through all this, but it's base model RSX for the other chassis. So go ahead and get this back on and see what happens. Okay guys, the axle's back on. Just show you guys. I at first bolted this half of the inner part of the axle. The inner axle first bolted down, then I slid this on and I shoved it on. Don't forget to grease it, grease all the spines, and that's about it. I had to remove this so I could slide the axle, so I popped this off to the side, popped the ball joint off, and there it is. Everything's all bolted up. Caliper, axle nut, I'll tighten it up one more time, but it's all good guys. So let's hope this fixes my issue.
Yeah.